Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to remove a credit card from your Apple ID, especially with the latest updates in 2025, you're in the right place. Maybe you're switching to a new card, dealing with security concerns, or just wanting to declutter your account. Whatever the reason, this quick tutorial will guide you through it step by step. It's super straightforward, but always remember to double-check your settings to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, grab your iPhone, iPad, or head to a computer with iCloud access. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, tap on your name at the top. That's your Apple ID. On a Mac, go to System Settings and select your Apple ID from the sidebar. Once you're in, scroll down and look for Payment and Shipping, or Media and Purchases, depending on your device and iOS version. Next, tap on that section, and you'll see your payment methods listed. If you have a credit card saved, it should be right there. To remove it, simply tap Edit in the top right corner. This will let you manage your options. Select the credit card you want to remove and hit Remove or Delete. You might be prompted to confirm this action, so go ahead and verify it to ensure it's what you intend. After that's done, your credit card will be removed from your Apple ID. But here's a pro tip. If you're removing it for security reasons, consider setting up two-factor authentication or adding an alternative payment method like Apple Pay later. Also, keep in mind that if you have any pending purchases, you might need to resolve those first. And that's it. You've successfully removed your credit card. This process is quick and helps keep your account secure. If you run into any issues, Apple support is always a great resource. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.